tonyole cases of bribery in Nyaribari church. Zaidi Urusiri 1,000 waniko kira 5,000. Nakitucha tuwa deal na manganayo ruchi utuwa 2027 gusiya ito igore ichi bribe.
Umanyete walito manyete zaile. It's not 5,000. That is not even the way we are doing it, because urangilia abantu 20 30 obake kabiso boleje besa abantu nabo koraigo. It is no go panic honenda rusi guntara korona matuko ndio to gomotebi yaya. When we are telling you mwana minto colleagues kolera abantu baitegas, we are not telling you and all giji besa obogolije besa ocheko basera. They can do that. And one of the things you need to do etwakobo kiokolegas yomwako yo motigalete tosigikanie karuchikura jekire not kubuko jibaze jeito zero bono bantu bana baliola organize obero kozi nebirongo nalo jale gotenga na take ownership yebirongo. These people organizing them into a circle weka 50 million yo kwa etome jinde basali mbali na balimba bwati bana bale school batagete basali weka 50 million baruka inu nebirongo 60 million ikomi nebirongo bya keumbu ebonye kwa plan ko baroka. Don't use them as gunzi bachiko kura matanga. No. So that you can do better. And if you need consult tiakorangeria bana balio ba 3,000 ngalona nje na bachi nyinge dendo mwana oyo ngakiako chikomenya mwako mugima go chakorora next year chikura okulira matanga gera lituko orowa ni igwa sande.
Bono
it is so painful. Babange yes ebirongo sako sino abana balia bakwande babeke chikawoshi abantu babeke bagosoma chicharana bakolosi t-shirt siasa kia ikire bakoloserie chia yero olo usi t-shirt Nairobi ire kenyoro alafu jibe t-shirt to ko organize into asako banya gosona obagolie
modiga mapema
bono mapema ambara obamaite go print abana ambare gali basubati mbamanyite gukora hasha ko igwete function bune yo kalemambi yo waziri baumurororo ebirongo esako haba bakali koruwa maji. Simple. Genda ali kegati ete maji itonaro. Organize ya maji ali awe package. Pogoli birongo bya kegati biko ira maji matanga chinyangi chikanisa. That is what we need. But yoko organize abana baito chikukura matanga ngabata kire gutsaruka saa moja jikura chikale next year. So it was not bribery. It is the future that we are planning for Munyaribari. It's to understand abantu baitu ku understand. Chibasa chiroma tuna bakorera oseri ebibanda biri okorose kwanya kubeka chibanda jino bakorosia ba empower give them a source of income that is continuous no ruo lokolo mujumbe bagoteba gakisa ketoli muntu tobegete nyare. That is what is being mentioned on each school jeto wagache birasi ebima bana bao batere na bio WhatsApp krasi banya gotera na biro birasi bitatu gokolosia gapara kamugotara abikunonera midororo gose gwakuna mirozebe baje dinero wakire krasi ne para twarosiria ibeno ngaye muntu masonga uchakolosia kero uchakolosia yake umbu oyo masongo turakuna turakune para nero ekoganyite kiogoro epara township gali ka the driver kabante ba ukura kira litu ge ngwa you saw it. So that is what we are saying. We are saying you cannot do everything in the limitation of resources. Bati gaki mwana minto kigwa ikaransire body across jipare myaka 5 omwaka bwo muiso nalio gocha kulia rising ekwelente
tubata arama nakuru. Arama keeps on bringing roads there. The entire constituency system.
And the opposition.
I know I say the same committee.
Yes. The same committee.
Yes.
Osoro, Chafet, Baro Sirami. Into Gakina Batebiga. Chico ward to what resita. Kire ward kire serikali kiro mwakanko bekere budget yechipara. Development. Community myaka 5 kera njenyure tenga Munyaribari chachi gosichi aba kura lende no township kura ni bwene cross ipa yani community mbanya kulia rise ntoka netia Karami no 1 kilometer.
So sad.
It is the same story we did for Tongi. Tongi did 5 years when he was leaving. The Karago chigo so kama was 2 kilometers ateneni pale ino ateneni now.
A mistake.
It's a mistake. We have finished. So monto go so bono buna birundu ago so aiga. Abana balia mobilizeri abana birongo abanyarebe abwa putting them into a circle ebese yabe baganyete by August bunango so aiga njene birongo ngoleje sabanyole certificate bacha colleagues bese yabonero asisi gazeto kubika. So as they get used to kutomwa sama tanga gogotomwa kwa manyajikoro mujumbo karombirundu. So as I organize yunkunya gukomaki ngenga na ekero birongo mbabeke sako agera muchako agachobugi mabwino. Yes.
As we wind up, Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i is doing his campaigns.
Yes.
Do you think he's going to be considered by the United Opposition as the flag bearer?
No, I can't speak for Fred. He's on another level. But what I can tell you, regardless of how they are speaking, I can only tell Fred, Omogusi make their final decision. And it takes a whole generation. It has taken over 20 years. We cast it to Ikire. We have made a decision. You want to talk about Fred. Bonere bamutegerere bamutegerera into tumanyete tukoranete savari eyo ekerogo tuganyete into ya set to the ballot so ndoko manyanga kibao cha kwalinje manganabo. Yes, so we are already set we are already set ntobu ati another option. Talibo tega ba como musabate nga bachigotene na chikura. So the decision has been made nga 2027 umuntu tubwate candidate yo president.
Okay.
Matiang'i baiguana into Matiang'i tubwate asago totebinga bono twaikire nga no toikira ogijamba mutenga taliero ko be presidential candidate. We will not accept anything. Yeah.
Is the most qualified?
Oppose all of them. Yeah, immediately. Yeah.
Is the most qualified?
No nyembo na igana elinda mwananchi tuturumbuke gusiba tali Matiang'i bago support. It's not all we are. Abu. So Matiang'i has to be in any calculation. Never na say United Opposition wale never linda mwananchi never ngusi never nekero alati bakurigichikura na babo majogo no nyonka. Language yo hade kutegerera. Matiang'i. And that is the only party I can speak for him. About how he is going to engage, you can already see. Bagumirana babolengo, balingi na babagashagwa, you know the reception, babolengo linda mwananchi, babosifuna, about babu. Into to moregete.
Kabisa.
Sanga baucha kumu-announce. Ere to kuna melite. That is only thing.
Mheshimiwa,
yes.
Tiang'i Tingekechu, wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Mukua. I sincerely appreciate it.